Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the MacBook Pro A2918. It is on, but the problem is that it is getting very hot, and its fan is also not working properly. No problem, let's fix it. First, unscrew all the screws on the back. Open the back panel with the help of an opener and slide it out. There is a lot of dust inside it. Its fan has become jammed due to dust. Disconnect the battery and touchpad connectors. Unscrew all the screws on the connector protector and logic board. Unscrew all the screws on the display connector protector plate. Unscrew all the screws of the network wire as well. Remove all protector plates. Disconnect all connectors. Remove all the screws on the logic board. Remove the logic board. Be very careful while removing so that the connector does not break. Clean the logic board. Unscrew the heatsink. Remove the heatsink. We'll clean the frame. Unscrew all the screws on the fan. Remove the fan. Unscrew the fan. We'll open the fan. Clean the fan properly. Pack the fan. Tighten all the screws of the fan. Remove dried cooling paste. Clean the CPU and heat sink. Apply new cooling paste. Install the heat sink and tighten its screws. Install the fan in the frame and tighten its screws. Install the logic board into the frame. Be very careful with the cable connectors while doing this. Connect all connectors. Connect the network connector. Install all connector protectors and tighten the screws. Also screw in the battery. We will also fix the battery screw and connect the touchpad also. Tighten all the screws on the logic board. Install the back panel and tighten its screws. Check by plugging in the charging cable. It has turned on and we tested it and it was working very well now. That's all for today. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.